guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Terrisa, and today we are going to be making a vegan one-pot pie pasta. One-pot pasta. But before we get started, I do want to do a couple things. I first want to say thank you so much to Chrissy and Luz for your PayPal donations, your Christmas PayPal donations. Oh my God, 'tis the season. So if you want to help support this channel as well, you can donate via PayPal or my Patreon, which will be linked below. Also, I got a little infomercial for you. Okay, so if you gotta go to your conservative family's house and they are like pro-Trump, flat earth, climate change is a hoax, LGBTQ who what, here's what you do. So you make your own ugly Christmas sweater, which is just like you grab an old shirt, you go to the dollar store, you hot glue some shit on. The most important thing is you hot glue a stocking, which is just a pocket that you reach down in and you pull out your flask and you open it up and you go, okay, boomer, and then you put her right back in. Okay? Let's get started. In our big old pot, we've got one gigantic red onion, roughly chopped. You're going to add a little bit of EVOO. Y'all know the drill with my little pot meals, right? And then we're just going to let her go on medium, saute them down, sweat them down, you know. Now that our onions are nice and sauteed and sweated down, we're going to add 4 cups of vegetable broth, which I just bought at the Walmart, okay. And then we're going to do 2 cups of my homemade oat milk using Ellie's Best Bigger Better Nut Milk bag, which if you haven't seen my channel before, I'll roll that clip for you right here.
Show me where to go for me to stick a back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, flirting with an angel that was caught in the surf. The breath of my heart started with the wood of a touch in the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in a love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you...
Again, make sure you use code Midnight Munchies for 10% off your own Ellie's Best Bigger Better Nut Milk bag. And then I'm going to add about a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. But like, you add the seasonings you want. You add more or less, like you do you know what I'm saying? Then we're going to add a whole bag of frozen mixed vegetables. A whole bag of frozen broccoli cuts. Which, again, do the vegetables you want to do. But this shit cheap as hell at the Walmart. And that's what I had in my freezer. You know what I'm saying? And then we're going to add a whole package of eggless egg noodles. Which, yes, you heard it here first, my friends. Walmart. Walmart actually has those, and if you can't find them at your own local Walmart, you can go to walmart.com and they definitely have them on there as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to stir this up until it's well incorporated, and then we're going to, just like with all my one-pot pastas, we are going to turn it up to a boil and then reduce and cover until our nudes are cooked, which egg noodles, well, even eggless egg noodles, only take like 7 to 8 minutes. So it's going to take a lot less time than some of the other one-pot pastas that we have done here. And then right before it's done, we're going to add about a 4th cup of vegan butter and mix it in until it's just melted. We're going to turn off the heat, let it do its thing. You guys, what? Who is she? Okay, great. So I am so freaking excited. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God.
But like,
Does that shit be hitting different?
That should be hitting different. Come here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh my god.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Clearly he's cold.
I'm cold, okay, guys? At this point, if you follow the channel, you know I work construction.
2 hours away from home. It's been snowing since last night. So he's been freezing his little titties off. I need to make something warm.
Okay. Hold on.
Tell the people, Greg. Tell the people.
I need to take one more bite. What did you say?
Tell me your words.
Okay. So, clearly, I've been home for a little bit because I'm wearing my Capitals sweatshirt. But, like, I'm still fucking cold because I've been out in the snow all goddamn day. Those 2 bites I took are the first time I felt it, like, in my bones. I mean, that'll feel it in my bones, too. But seriously, like, it's a pasta pot pie.
You can use tofu, right? Like,
and it's literally a pasta pot pie.
I almost did tofu in it for, like, the chicken, right? Like, chicken pot pie, but we didn't have it. So this is what you got.
This is what you get.
But you do you, boo, right? Full room recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you slap that like button. Leave a comment to give Greg some love and how hard this bitch works for us, right?
You know, I work so much.
You work so hard.
And
I love you.
I love you too.
Give it a comment. Give it a comment.
Comment.
Like, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.